Thinking about selling your home? In today's real estate market, smart home technology isn't just a bonus. It's a major selling point that can boost your property's value and attract more buyers. With more people looking for homes that offer convenience, security, and energy efficiency, integrating smart features could be your ticket to a faster, higher-priced sale. So, how exactly does smart home tech increase your home's value? For starters, demand is higher than ever. According to a recent survey, 70% of buyers prefer homes with smart technology. Features like smart thermostats, security systems, and automated lighting don't just make life easier. They often help homes sell faster and for more money. Energy savings are another big draw. Smart thermostats and efficient lighting can cut electricity bills and make your home more cost-effective to maintain, which is especially appealing to eco-conscious buyers. And if two similar homes are on the market, the one with smart features is likely to get more attention and even sell for up to 5% more. Wondering which upgrades offer the best return? Popular choices include smart thermostats that learn your habits, smart lighting systems for both convenience and security, and smart security systems that give buyers peace of mind. Keyless smart locks, automated blinds, and whole home smart hubs are also high on buyers' wish lists. When it's time to sell, make sure to highlight these features in your listing. Use phrases like energy-efficient smart home and mention trusted brands. During showings, demonstrate how easy it is to control your home with voice commands or a smart hub. And consider including smart devices in the sale to make your home even more appealing. Ready to start your FSBO journey? Visit listlean.com to learn how you can market your smart home across hundreds of sites and save thousands with a flat-fee MLS listing. Take the next step toward a smarter, more profitable sale today.